So we're at Ebisu Circuit. It's Drift Matsuri. I'm gonna ride along with a friend. I'm scared and I think I have to pee. Let's go. That's scary. He doesn't want to follow me because I'm not good at leading. No, he doesn't. Oh, do you know him? Nope. Oh. He's borrowing my helmet. I got it in me, but it is definitely enjoyable.
Dude, it gets a lot easier when you. When I was first starting, this was insane to me.
Oh, really?
I'm going in, don't worry.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, my knuckles are a little annoyed. That was a new thing.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, drifting's always scared me. I've never always stayed away from it. But now I'm like, I'm going to Okinawa. I'm like, I got to figure this out, you know?